Unasikiliza redio yako bora 101.8 FM Fadeco Radio. Vipindi bora toka kwao huburudisha. Fadeco Radio yako bora inawakilisha kila pande za dunia, kila pande twasikika. Fadeco inawakilisha kuielimisha jamii kila pande, ujasiriamali kuendeleza, elimu vijana kutupatia. Kagera twafarijika, umetuheshimisha, umetupigania. Fadeco, Fadeco, Fadeco Radio, Fadeco, Fadeco, Fadeco Radio 101.8 FM, 101.8 FM.
Yes. Yeah, you're most welcome. I'm Joseph Sekiku. I'm the director for Fadeco Community Radio. Fadeco Community Radio is broadcasting to the population in Kagera region. And this is my working environment. We have a studio on the other side. Okay. So can I take you around so you can see what I do? Thank you. Halafu na huko kuna wengine. Au unaongea na record. Fadeco, Fadeco, Fadeco Radio, Fadeco, Fadeco, Fadeco Radio 101.8. Yeah, as I told you, this is our production studio. Okay. And as you can see, this is where we'll do our programs. So the radio programs are done here before they're put on air. Okay. And as you can rightly see, here we have one computer and the staff come here to do programs. This is called Mr. Nosi. Mr. Nosi is one of our chief editors. Okay. At the moment he's working on his piece, on his program before it's put on air. Okay. Only one computer? Yeah, we have only one computer for the production. Okay, we have another computer in the newsroom, but so far this is only, we have only one computer for the production studio, as you can see. This is our production computer. Small mixer that we're using. This is our production studio microphone, and this is how we do our stuff here. Okay, fine.
Nenda.
This is our on-air studio. Okay. And as you've seen with the red light that shows we are on air, basically this is what we have in this studio. So in this studio we have two computers. One computer is the main on-air computer. Okay. So all the programs that are played on air go through this one computer. Okay. But which is this one? Yeah, which is this one. Okay. We have two microphones. So we have the host. Okay. The host microphone. And co-host. We have the host, the guest microphone and the host microphone. Okay. So this is a dynamic microphone. It's a simple microphone. Yeah. This one's a condenser microphone to allow wide coverage. Okay. So as I told you, we have these computers. This is the on-air computer where all programs go through. That's our mixer. Or it's not a standard studio mixer. It's an ordinary ordinary mixer that we use. Okay. We don't have the facilities, we don't have the funds for that expensive thing. But on this side, we have What's over there? This is our small computer where we do the internet stream. So through, as you can see, we're already streaming since yesterday for 29 hours and 19 minutes. So this means that this stream can be received all over the world online if you have internet, so it's accessible. Yeah, so basically this is what we have in the studio.
Okay.
So we would like to make it much better. We need more equipment for the studio, as you can see. This is not the modern art studio that you can think of, but it is simple, but it's able to get us go throughout with the news, information, advertisement, and everything.
Okay. Is there any challenges according to the internet source which you have?
The main challenge, of course, at the moment, the main challenge that we have at the moment is that our transmitter is broken.
Okay.
So we are literally off air. So that's the biggest challenge at the moment. Otherwise, we need to refurbish our studio with better computers. So, and better mixer, better microphone. We need audio recording machines. But basically, we are set.
Okay.
Yeah, for this studio here, we run our equipment off the power of the grid, which is the national grid, but also from the batteries, from the solar backup system.
Okay.
So this is part of our backup system. Here we have 24 batteries, where we store our power from the solar power. And now this power is converted into AC, and then it is fed into our studio. So this enables us to be on air 24 hours without much interruption. Yeah. So the solar backup system composed of this set of batteries, but also if you go outside, I can show the controls.
Okay.
So this is our control for the solar system.
Okay.
This is a fuse box, and this is the charging controller, which gets power from the panels and controls it, of course, with charging and discharging.
Okay.
And the setup is as you see it. So from the solar panels through the system to the batteries, and from the batteries through the system to the main saturation in the studio.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it in function now?
It is not function. One of the problems I told you is due to the fluctuating power, we had a very big power surge, and our inverter was blown up alongside with the transmitter. So at the moment we are currently not using it because of the inverter which blew up.
Okay.
Yeah. Here there was. Is it turned off? So here we have two IDU units, and this enables us to get reception from outside broadcasters.
Okay.
We are currently working with two broadcasters, the Swahili service of the German service, Deutsche Welle Radio, and also one is for the national radio, Tanzania Broadcasting Corporation.
Okay.
So here we get the signal via satellite, and then we feed this into our normal transmission. So we are able to provide our communities with local news, but also national news. The national news comes through the IDU from the TBC, and also international news through the IDU from the Deutsche Welle, the Dutch Swahili service.
Okay, from Germany.
From Germany.
Okay.
Thank you. So at Fadeco Radio we run a number of programs, community programs, and one of them is the road safety program. So for more than 6 years, we've been doing the media campaign for road safety. And this is one of our IC materials that we use. We produce posters, billboards, plus the radio program that we run on radio. And every week, once a week, with a repeat, we have a radio program dedicated on road safety. We have road safety tips, periodically broadcast on radio, plus drama, songs, poems, all geared towards sisters in the community on road safety.
Okay. Yeah, I see the media campaign for the road safety. Salama Barabarani, what does it mean?
Usalama Barabarani means that road safety is our responsibility.
Okay.
So it is not for the traffic police alone, it's not for the drivers alone, but all of us have a stake in ensuring road safety. So our slogan was Usalama Barabarani, Road safety is our sole responsibility. Tunataka kuishi, tunataka ajali. We don't need access, we need to survive, we need to live.
Okay.
So that is the slogan for our campaign. Yeah, actually at the end of last month, we had a big problem with our transmitter. What happened is, okay, we ran our equipment also with power from the national grid. We call this TANESCO. Now, because the power is on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off.
Okay.
So our control systems, our safety control systems, we failed to withstand this power surge. So what happened is that when the power was fluctuating, it really went through all the system, all the safety tips that we had, destroying the power inverter, the stabilizer, the circuit breakers into the transmitter. Everything blew up completely. So this has given us a big setback because we cannot broadcast our population. They are demanding for the user information, but because of the cost of this one equipment, it has become difficult for us to be able to broadcast. So we are asking friends and well-wishers to be able to help us offset this challenge. It is a huge cost to cover at once, because we're talking about something like $70,000 US plus. Otherwise, the moment we are currently off air, I can say, or literally broadcasting to a limited population compared to what we did before. So this is the situation at the moment. The transmitter is the heart of the radio.
Okay. Yeah. And what does the community talks about the service which have been given with your radio?
The community is satisfied about what we are offering. We are broadcasting to about 4.5 million people all over Kagera region.
Okay.
These are the direct people who receive our radio on FM. Not counting the number who receive our broadcast online. Now, for your information, Fadeco Radio is like one stop point for information.
Okay.
Fadeco Radio doubles as the internet for the people, is the television for the people, because most people don't have radio. So we're broadcasting different programs: health, agriculture, weather information, news, name it. We have so many programs: environmental education, environmental conservation, climate exchange, agriculture, health. So the community is appreciative.
Okay.
We also have culture on our radio, where local artists come in, old people come in, everybody is represented. So as a radio for the community, because we call this Fadeco Community Radio, really the community is appreciative, as our programming is community oriented. Yeah.
Is it the first radio in here in this Kagera region?
Yeah, Fadeco Radio is one of the first radios. It's the pioneer radio, because we started our radio in the year 2006. So this was the time when there was no radio at all in Kagera region. So we happened to be the first radio in Kagera. By the time we started radio, there was no radio reception at all. So people from here listened to radios from Uganda or from Rwanda, and the people were like in an information blackout. There was no information at all. So we happened to come in and bridge this gap of information, and we're very happy to have been the first radio in the region. So we are now like happy to be celebrating more than 15 years of radio since we started. I would like to say that I'm very happy, because coming to this far, we have received of the support also from different people who have come in either to volunteer in the radio programs, to make radio programs, to work, with the minimum pay. Others have supported us with the cable, or with the audio recorder, or with the something. And this has kept us moving up to now, 15 years down the road. And I'm very happy personally because I'm motivated about what we've been able to do up to now. The fact that we are off air, we are crying with everybody. The community is crying with us.
Have you been cooperating with the government of Tanzania, and what do they say about your work?
The government of Tanzania is appreciative of what we are doing because for the past 3 phases, because now we are traveling with our 3rd license. We have a license given for 5 years. After 5 years, the government gives us a license. So we have had our license renewed 3 times. That means the government is appreciative of what we're doing. So that's the fact. But you see, we're working with the government, the local government, the central government, the ministries, the killer ministry, like Ministry of Agriculture, Research, Health, Education, and it. So we are working together. Although they're not giving us any financial support, but I'm happy that they're giving us the political support and also the moral support and the technical backstopping, as I can say, because we use them, or the heads of the department from the government come to work with us, but also have the private sector, the business community, the different religious churches, Catholic Church, Lutheran Church, Anglican Church, Orthodox Church. They all have a slot on our radio. So we are working together, I can say, fairly with most of the people. Actually, all the people, cutting across age, sex, gender, young, old, male, female, we are trying to cut across.
Your fellows from different parts of the world are now watching for you. You can just now talk to them.
I would like to throw a message to all our friends all over the world. Our friends in the US, in other parts of the world, who are able to follow us. Some of them actually have visited us before. I'm very thankful for the support that each one has made, either as a friend, as a moral support, or as an equipment. So I'm really very grateful to them. We are here determined to serve our people, to see that we can help them make ends meet. Our objective is to see that we support work of development agents to be able to bring about development. This is our focus.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.